Now, let us start with the new topic, that is exponents and power. So, let us revise what we have studied in the previous classes. Already we know that if 10 raised to 4 is given to us, we write it as 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. And the answer will be 10,000. 4 times I have to multiply 10. And it is read as 10 times 4. Or we also say 4 raised to 10. But now, here we will be learning about the negative exponent. Suppose I am given 4 raised to minus 3. So that means if my exponent is minus, we have to make it 1 upon 4 cube. Wherever it is on the opposite position, we have to take it. So if it is in the numerator, we will take it in denominator. If denominator, we will take it as in numerator. Now it will be 1 upon 4 into 4 into 4. That is 1 upon 64. Then there are some of the rules. Before we start the rules, let us revise once more some of the example. Now suppose here if I am given 3 upon 4 whole raised to minus 2. That means 1 upon 3 by 4 whole square. So that will be 4 upon 3 whole square. So 4 into 4 upon 3 into 3. So that will be 16 upon 9. Now, some of the important laws we should remember when we are doing this, which are called laws of exponents. First law says a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. Now let us understand this with an example. Suppose I am given 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 4. So, according to this, it should be 2 raised to 3 plus 4. That is 2 raised to 7. Now, let us prove that also. Okay, it will be equal. See, 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 4 is given to me. Now, 2 raised to 3, how I can write 2 into 2 into 2. And 2 raised to 4, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So, now if you count, it is 2 raised to 7. Then second law says a raised to m divide by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. So here it says 2 raised to 3 divided by 2 raised to 4. So that will be 2 raised to 3 minus 4. That is 2 raised to minus 1. Now let us prove that also. 2 raised to 3 divided by 2 raised to 4. In basic language, I can write 2 into 2 into 2 upon 4 times 2. So, now 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2 cancel. So, I got 1 upon 2. And 1 upon 2 I can write as 2 raised to minus 1. Now, third law says a raised to m whole raised to n equal to a raised to mn. Now let me take an example as 2 square whole cube. So according to here it will be 2 raised to 2 into 3. So 2 threes are 6. So let me do that. 2 square into whole cube equal to, this is called powers power. So this will be 2 square 3 times I have to multiply, because whole raised to 3 is there. So now this will be 2 into 2 for 1, 2 into 2 for second, and 2 into 2 for third. So it came as 2 raised to 6. Then fourth law says a raised to m into b raised to m equal to AB whole raised to n. Now it is showing that if bases are different but powers are same, I can multiply the bases and raise to that power. So let us see an example. 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 2. According to this, it says 2 into 3 whole raised to 2. That means 6 square. Now let us do it. 2 square into 3 square will be equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So that will be 4 nines are, so 36, and which is equal to 6 square. Then fifth law says anything raised to 0 will be always 1. If I say 2 raised to 0, it will be always 1. So these are the basic concepts which you should know.
Next point which we should know is expanded form of numbers. Here, let me explain this with an example. Suppose I am given a number 452.369. So this we write as 4 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 2 into 10 raised to 0, or we write 1 plus 3 into 1 upon 10 plus 6 into 1 upon 100 plus 9 into 1 upon 1000. So this is called expanded form. Now let us do some of the examples related with that. Now first one says simplify and write in the exponential form. Using laws of exponents. And A1 given to me is A1 given to me is 3 raised to 4, 3 raised to 4 into 3 raised to minus 4 into 3 raised to 5. So according to the identity I am using here, a raised to m into a raised to n will be a raised to m plus n. So according to that, this will be 3 raised to 4 plus minus 4 plus 5. So final answer will be 3 raised to 5, because 4 minus 4 will be 0, and then 0 plus 5 will be 5. Now let us do one more example in this, that is minus 2 raised to minus 3 into minus 2 raised to 5 into minus 2 raised to 2. So here also it will be minus 2 whole raised to minus 3 plus 5 plus 2. So that is minus 2 raised to minus 3 plus 2 will be minus 1, 5 minus 1 will be 4. So my final answer is this. Now next question says express 16 raised to minus 3 as power with base 2. So see, this is an easy way. There is an easy way to solve that. That is 16 I can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 raised to 4. So in place of 16 whole raised to minus 3, in place of 16 I will write 2 raised to 4 whole raised to minus 3. So this comes as 2 raised to minus 12. Here identity I have used is a raised to m whole raised to n equal to a raised to m. Now, let us simplify some of the complex sums which comes in this. That is, it is said simplify and write in the exponential form. The first one is 9 raised to minus 2 divide by 3 raised to 4 whole raised to 2. So this will be, see, 9 raised to minus 2. If 9 I convert into 3, I can write 3 square whole raised to minus 2 divide by 3 raised to 4 whole square. So this will be, see which identity I have used. I have used the making simpler form of base. 9 I have written as 3 into 3, so 3 square. Now this became 3 raised to minus 4 divided by 3 raised to 4 whole square. So here the identity I have used is a raised to m whole raised to n equal to a raised to mn. Now this will be equal to 3 raised to minus 4. So now see, divide is there. So minus 4 and divide means minus again and 4 whole raised to 2. Here identity which I have used is a raised to m divided by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. So this is 3 raised to minus 8 whole square. That is 3 raised to minus 16. Then let us do one more sum related with this. Now next is 4 upon 7 whole raised to minus 8 into 7 upon 4 whole raised to minus 5. So this I can make it 4 raised to 7. If I convert it into the normal form, minus is there, so I am writing it as 7 upon 4 whole raised to 8 into 7 upon 4 whole raised to minus 5. Now if you see, the bases are same. So can I say this as, can I directly write it 7 upon 4 whole raised to 8 minus 5? So this will be 7 upon 4 whole cube. See, identities, which one I used? Here I have used a raised to minus n equal to 1 upon a raised to n, and here I have used a raised to m divide by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n, or I can say a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. Both the things I can show it there. Now let us do one more sum. 27 into x raised to minus 4 upon 4 raised to minus 3 into 12 into x raised to minus 5. So see, 27 I can write 3 cube into x raised to minus 4 upon 4 I can write as 2 square whole raised to minus 3. 12 I can write 4 3s are. So 4 3s are, how I will write 2 square into 3 into x raised to minus 5. Now this one I can solve it like this. 3 cube into, see, x raised to minus 5 I am bringing up. So x raised to minus 4 minus, it is divide. So minus of minus 5 upon 2 raised to whole power. So powers power. So 2 into minus 3 will be minus 6 into 2 square into 3 into, okay, this much. Now I will be solving it, the remaining things here only. See, now 3 I am making it together, so 3 cube minus 1 into x raised to minus 4 plus 5 will be 1 into 2 raised to minus 6 was down. So when it comes up, it will be 6 because inverse of that. Or I can even do it like this. See, in the numerator only, let us solve that first and then we will bring it up. So 2 raised to minus 6 plus 2. Because these two are in multiplication, so powers will add up. So this will be 3 square x upon 2 raised to minus 4. So that I can show as, see, if minus power I take up, or I can write it like this. See. So this one I can write as 9x, in base it is a negative, so I am writing 1 upon 2 raised to 4. So now denominator comes in numerator, so 9x into 16. 2 raised to 4 will be 16. So that will be 144x. Now, one more pattern of questions they ask, that is evaluate. Now, here one may be like this. One may be like this, that is 1 upon 4 whole raised to 4 divided by 1 upon 4 whole raised to 4. This I can directly write 1 upon 4 whole raised to 4 minus 4. So, which will be 1 upon 4 raised to 0, that is 1. Which identity I have used? A raised to m divided by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. Now, the other sum can be like this. 3 raised to minus 1 plus 5 raised to minus 1, divide. No, it is plus only. Whole raised to minus 1. So now this will be, see, anything raised to, I am using this identity, a raised to minus 1 equal to 1 upon a. So 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 5 whole raised to minus 1. So first I am solving it there only. So 5 3s are 15 will be LCM. So 5 plus 3 whole raised to minus 1. So that is coming as 8 upon 15 whole raised to minus 1. Now again I am using the same identity. So it will become 15 upon 8 raised to 1. So it will be 15 upon 8 only. Then let us do one more pattern of example, that is solve the following to find value of x. First one, if I see, it says 5 raised to 2x plus 1 divided by 25 equal to 125. So, can I write it like this? 5 raised to 2x plus 1 divide by 25. 25 I am writing as 5 square equal to 125 means 5 cube. So this will become 5 raised to 2x plus 1 minus 2, because a raised to m, see why, a raised to m divide by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. So that formula I am using. So this will be 5 raised to 2x minus 1 equal to 5 raised to 3. Now see, base are same, so power should be same. So I can say 2x minus 1 equal to 3. So 2x equal to 4. So x will be 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now, let us do one more type of example in this. It says minus 5 upon 6 whole raised to minus 6 into minus 5 upon 6 whole raised to minus 3 equal to minus 5 upon 6 whole raised to 3x. So this will be, see, if I do LHS, so I will get minus 5 upon 6 whole raised to minus 6 plus minus 3, because it says a raised to m into a raised to n will be a raised to m plus n. So that formula I have used, equal to minus 5 upon 6 whole raised to 3x. So now powers are base are same, so power should be same. So minus 9 equal to 3x. So x will be minus 9 upon 3. So x will be equal to minus. Now let us do the sum of the exercise sums. So first question 1 says find the value of 3 raised to minus 4. So 3 raised to minus 4 means 1 upon 3 raised to 4. So that will be 81. Which identity I have used here? A raised to minus m equal to 1 upon a raised to m. Now B1 is minus 5 raised to 4 will be minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. So that will be 625. Then third one is 1 upon 2 raised to minus 5. So I can write 2 raised to 5, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and 2s are 32. Then D1 is 1 upon 10 raised to minus 4, so I can write is 10 upon 1 whole raised to 4. So that will be 10,000. Now question 2 is find the multiplicative inverse. Find the multiplicative inverse of A1 is 7 raised to minus 3, B1 is 3 upon 11 whole square, C1 is minus 5 upon 9 whole raised to minus 2, and D1 is 1 upon 2 whole raised to minus 5. So see, multiplicative inverse, can I say directly multiplicative inverse of 7 raised to minus 3, that is 1 upon 7 cube will be equal to 7 raised to 3. Then B1 multiplicative inverse of 3 upon 11 whole square will be 11 upon 3 whole square, or I can write 3 upon 11 whole raised to minus 2. Then C1 is minus 5 upon 9 raised to minus 2. So multiplicative inverse of minus 5 upon 9 whole raised to minus 2 will be minus 5 upon 9 whole square. Then D1 multiplicative inverse of 1 by 2 whole raised to minus 5 will be 1 by 2 whole raised to 5. Now question 3 says write the expanded form. Write the expanded form. First one is 6 raised to 32.542. So let us solve that only directly. 6 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 2 into 1 I can write, or 10 raised to 0, both I can write, plus 5 into 1 upon 10 plus 4 into 1 upon 100 plus 2 into 1 upon 1000. Then B1 is 1023.981, so that will be 1 into 1000 plus 2 into 10 plus 3 into 1 plus 9 into 1 upon 10 plus 8 into 1 upon 100 plus 1 into 1 upon 1000. Then C1 is 4.569, so that will be 4 into 10 plus 5 into 1 upon 10 plus 6 into 1 upon 100 plus 9 into 1 upon 1000. And the D1 says 0.1235, so that will be 1 into 1 upon 10 plus 2 into 1 upon 100 plus 3 into 1 upon 1000 plus 5 into 1 upon 10,000. Now question 4 says simplify. The first one says 2 raised to minus 1 plus 3 raised to minus 1 plus 4 raised to minus. So, can I write a raised to minus 1 as 1 upon a? So here I am writing 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. So if you see carefully, LCM will be 12, 2 6 are, so 1 6 are, 3 4s are, so 1 4s are 4 and plus 3, 13 upon 12. Then B1 says 7 upon 8 whole raised to minus 1 whole raised to minus 2. So see, here I am using directly the identity a raised to m whole raised to n equal to a raised to mn. So this will be 7 upon 8 whole raised to minus 1 into minus 2. So that will be 7 upon 8 square. Minus into minus will be plus. So 49 upon 64. Then C1 says 5 raised to 0 plus 3 raised to minus 1 into 4 square. So this will be anything raised to 0 is 1. So 5 raised to 0 is 1 plus 3 raised to minus 1, I can write 1 upon 3 into 4 square means 16. So if I do LCM, so 3 plus 1 upon 3 into 16. So this will be 4 upon 3 into 16. So 16 4s are 64 upon 3 will be my answer. Then D1 is 5 raised to minus 3 into 27 into 125 upon 3 raised to minus 2 into 9 into 81 square. So see, this can I write it like this? 5 raised to minus 3, 27 means 3 cube, 125 means 5 cube upon 3 raised to minus 2 into 9 means 3 square into 81 means 3 square whole raised to 2. So this will be 5 raised to minus 3 plus 3 into 3 raised to 3. Now I am taking upon on the in the numerator. So minus of minus 2 plus 2 and plus 4. So this will be 5 raised to 0 into 3 raised to 3 plus 2. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 4. So 5 raised to 0 is 1 and 3 raised to 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 4, 11. So answer will be 3 raised to 11. Now, next question says simplify and write each of the simplify and write in exponential form with a positive exponent. Okay, I have to show positive exponent only. 125 whole raised to minus 3. So can I write this as 5 raised to 4 into 125 means 5 cube whole raised to minus 3. So 5 raised to 4 into 5 raised to minus 9. So that is 5 raised to 4 minus 9. So that is 5 raised to minus 5. So 5 raised to minus 5 I can write 1 upon 5 raised to 5. Then B1 is 2 raised to 4 into 1 upon 2 whole raised to minus 1. So this I can write as 2 raised to 4 into 2 raised to 1 upon 2, I can write 2 raised to 1. So that will be 2 raised to 4 plus 1, so 5. Now C1 is 1 upon 4 whole raised to minus 5 into 1 upon 4 whole raised to minus 2. So this will be 1 upon 4 minus 5 minus 2. So 1 upon 4 raised to minus 7. So 4 raised to 7 I can write it. D1 is 3 raised to minus 7 divided by 3 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 5. So can I write it like this? 3 raised to minus 7, divide is there, so minus 4 into 3 raised to 5. So this will be 3 raised to minus 11 into 3 raised to 5. So now this will be 3 raised to minus 11 plus 5. So that will be 3 raised to minus 6. So 1 upon 3 raised to. Now next question says evaluate. First one is 3 upon 55 whole raised to minus 4 divide by 3 upon 11 whole raised to minus 4. So first of all, can I write this as 55 upon 3 whole raised to 4 divide by 11 upon 3 whole raised to 4. Now either I divide or multiply by reciprocal. So 55 upon 3 whole raised to 4 into 3 by 11 whole raised to 4. Now see, bases are different but powers are same. So I can show it as 55 upon 3 into 3 upon 11 whole raised to 4. Which identity I have used? A raised to m into b raised to m equal to ab whole raised to m. This identity I have used here. Now 3 cancel, 11 ones are, 11 fives are. So this comes as 5 raised to 4. So 25 into 25. So 625 will be my answer. Then B1 is 6 upon 11 whole raised to minus 3 into 11 upon 6 whole raised to minus 5. So this I can write as 6 upon 11 raised to minus 3 multiplies there. So plus minus 5. So this will be 6 upon 11 whole raised to minus 8 or 11 upon 6 whole raised to 8. Which identity I have used? A raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m. Then C1 is 1 upon 4 whole raised to minus 2 minus 1 upon 3, sorry, 1 upon 2 it is, whole raised to minus 3 divide by 1 upon 2 whole raised to minus 4. So this I can first write as 1 upon 4 raised to minus 2 I can write as 4 square minus 1 upon 2 whole raised to minus 3 I can write as 2 raised to 3. Then I have to divide it by 2 raised to 4. So this will be 16 minus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Divide by 2 raised to 4. So 16 minus 8, 8 divide by 2 raised to 4. So 8 I can write as 2 cube minus 4. So this will be 2 raised to minus 1. So my answer will be 1 upon 2. Then question 7. Solve the following for value of x. Solve for x. First one says 8 raised to x equal to 5 and 2. So if you do the prime factorization of 5 and 2, 2, 2s are 4, 1. So 5s are 10, 1, 6 are 2, 1, 2, 2s are 4, 1, 8. Again 2, 64. Again 2, so 32. Again 2, so 60. Again 2, so 8. Again 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. Now I want 8, so I have to make a pair of 3 numbers. So here it is clearly seen 8 raised to x equal to 8 cube. So x equal to. Then B1 says minus 3 raised to x equal to minus 243. So minus 3 raised to x should be equal to minus 3 whole raised to. Now 243 if I do factors, see 3, 8 and 1. So 81, 3, 2s are 6, 2, 7s are. Again 3, 9, 3, 3, 3, 1. So that is minus 3 raised to 5. So x equal to 5. Then C1 is 1 upon 1000 equal to 1 upon x whole raised to 3. So 1 upon 1000 I can write 1 upon 10 whole cube equal to 1 upon x whole cube. So x equal to 10. Then D1 4 upon 5 whole raised to x equal to 1024 upon 3125. So first I am finding the prime factorization of 1024. So 2 5s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are. Again 2, 2 2s are 1. So 5s are 1. And again 6. 2, 1, 2, 8. Again 2. So 6 and 4. Again 2, 3, 2. Again 2, 16. Again 2, 8. Again 2, 4. Again 2, 2 and 2, 1. Now I am doing of 3, 1, 2, 5. So with 5, so 5 6 are 31, 5 2s are 10, 2, so 5 5s are 5. 1s are 5, 1, so 2s are 10, 2, 5s are. Again 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 5, 5, 5, 1. So now if you see 4 upon 5 whole raised to x equal to, I need 4 upon 5 only here. So 5 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I make pair of 2s, So 4, 4, 4, 4 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. So x equal to directly 5. Then E1 says 2 raised to 2x plus 1 equal to 32. So we know that 2x plus 2 raised to 2x plus 1 equal to 2 raised to 5 is 32. Already above we have done. So 2x plus 1 equal to 5 because base are same, so power should be same. So 2x plus 1 equal to 5. So 2x will be equal to 5 minus 1. So 2x equal to 4. So x will be 4 upon 2. So x equal to. Then F1. F1 it says 3 upon 7 whole raised to 5 into 3 upon 7 whole raised to 3 equal to 3 upon 7 whole raised to 3x plus 2. So can I write it like this? 3 upon 7 whole raised to 5 plus 3. A raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. So equal to 3 upon 7 whole raised to 3x plus 2. Which identity I have used? A raised to m into a raised to n, a raised to n plus n. On LHS side I have used. So 8 equal to 3x plus 2 because base are same, so power should be same. So 8 minus 2 equal to 3x. So 6 equal to 3x. So x equal to 2. Now 8th question says find the value of m. 3 raised to 2m plus 1 divided by 9 equal to 27. So I can write it as 3 raised to 2m plus 1 divided by 9 as 3 square and 27 means 3 cube. So 3 raised to 2m plus 1 minus 2 equal to 3 raised to 3. So base are same, so power should be same. So 2m plus 1 minus 2 equal to 3. So 2m minus 1 equal to 3. So 2m equal to 4. So m equal to 2. Now let us do two hot questions. It says, first one is find x if 2 upon 5 whole raised to 5 into 9 upon 2 whole raised to minus 4 equal to 2 upon 9 whole raised to 3 whole raised to 2x into 9 upon 2 whole raised to minus 3. So this I can write as 2 upon 9 whole raised to 5 into 2 upon 9 whole raised to 4 equal to 2 upon 9 whole raised to 3 2s are 6. So 6x into 2 upon 9 whole raised to 3. So now powers will add up. So 2 raised to 9, 5 plus 4 equal to 2 upon 9 whole raised to 6x plus 3. So 9 will be equal to 6x plus 3. So 6 equal to 6x. So x equal to. Then second one it says by what number should be minus 6 whole raised to minus 1 should be divided to get minus 2 raised to minus 1. I need to divide minus 1 upon minus 6 with some number to get 1 upon minus 2. So it is clear if I divide or to find the unknown number, can I do it like this? Unknown number, here it is divide. So if I take this on that side, it will be multiply. So minus 6 upon minus 2. Minus minus cancel 3. So if I divide it with 3, I will get my answer. Now next question is standard form. So here if I am given for example 0.0 always I have to write the number like this 5.4. After one digit point should be this. So if it point is on left hand side and I am taking it on right hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I will write into 10 raised to minus 5. But if the point is like this, see, 812.125, and I am taking it on left hand side the point, that will be 8.12125 into, so always the power will be plus, see, 1 2, so 210. So this is the basic concept of standard form. Now let us do some examples. It says A1 is 2, 3 and 6 zeros. So this I have to write as 2 raised to 2 into 2.3 into 10 raised to 7. And B1 is 0.0000205. So see how many points I have to move, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So that will be 2.05 into 10 raised to minus 5. Now the second example can be in this form. Write the following in the usual form, that is A1 is 2.0934 into 10 raised to 7. So usual form means the normal form which we write. So this will be 2.0934. Now 7 times the position I have to move on right. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7. So the point will be after last 0. So 20934 triple 0. Then B1 is 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 3. So minus means I have to take the point on the negative side. So 1.2 is already there. Now 3 places. So 1, 2 and 3. So point will be here. So my answer will be 0.0012. Now exercise 4.2 question 1 says write in usual form 1.5268 into 10 raised to 4. 10 raised to 4 means right side I have to take the point. So this will be 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. So my answer will be 15268. Now B1 is 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 5. Means 4 places on the left hand side I have to take after 1. So 0.1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then 6 places on the right. So 6, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, 6.6 was there. So to make 66, 1 and then 5 places I have to take. Now it is minus. So 2 are already there. So 4 more. So 0.1234 zeros, 20359. So my question 1 is done. Now question 2 says express the given number in write in standard form. So let us do it. The first one says 791234. So this will be 7.9 into, see I want to bring point here. So how many places? 4 zeros and 1 9. So 10 raised to 5. The B1 says 0.00000282. So 2.82 I want into. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 places. So 10 raised to minus 5. Then C1 is 0.000157. So that will be 1.57 into 10 raised to minus 4. D1 is 313000. See, now point is not there. That means it is on the right hand side. So if I bring 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be 3 into, oh sorry, it will be 3.13 into 10 raised to 5. Now, question 3 says express in standard form A. Standard form I have to write. It says thickness of a piece of paper is 0.0016 centimeter. So I can write 1.6 into 10 raised to minus, because point is on the left hand side, I am taking on it right. 1, 2, 3. 10 raised to minus 3 centimeter. B is speed of light is 1080. So that will be 1.08 into 10 raised to C. Now here I want to bring. So 10 raised to 9 kilometer. Then C1 is number of cells in human body, 100, 000, again 000, again 000, again 000. So this will be 1.0 into 10 raised to 40. Then D1 is length of the shortest wavelength, that is of violet light, is 0.4 meter. So that will be 4.0 into 10 raised to minus. Now how many see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So minus 7 meter. Then E1 is thickness of red blood cell is 0.000007 meter. So that will be 7.0 into 10 raised to minus, and unit will be meter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then F1 is mass of a dust particle is 0.90. Nine zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7, 5, 3 kg. So that will be 7.53 into 10 raised to 9 zeros and 1 7. So 10 kg. Then question 4 is compare the following. The diameter of Neptune to the Sun, this kilometer, while the the distance of Neptune to the Sun. Neptune to Sun is 4.55 into 10 raised to 9 kilometer. Whereas distance of the Earth from the Sun, Earth to Sun, distance is 1.49 into 10 raised to 11 meter. See, now the above one is kilometer. So kilometer to meter, either you have to convert or you have to convert meter to kilometer. So whichever you feel is easy, you can do. So if I convert kilometer into meter, it will be 4.55 into 10 raised to 9 into 10 raised to 3 meter, because 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So 9 plus 3 will be 12. So therefore distance of Neptune to Sun is more. Then B1 is saying the size of a plant cell, is 0.000125 meter, and red blood cell is 7 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter. So if I convert this into standard form, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1.275 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter. So which one is bigger now? Obviously, after one digit point, 1.2 1.275 into 10 raised to minus 4 will be bigger than 7 raised to minus 6. Then C1 is the distance of the sun, the diameter of sun, diameter of sun is 1.4 into 10 raised to 9 meter. Diameter of earth is 1.2746 into 10 raised to 7 meter. So obviously here directly we know that sun is bigger than earth, or seeing here also I can say diameter of sun is bigger. Diameter of sun is bigger. Now, last question, question 5. It says, in a shelf there are 6 notebooks, each of thickness of one notebook equal to 20 mm. So, thickness of 6 notebooks will be 6 into 20 mm. So, that is 120 mm. And 6 sheets of paper, each of thickness of one sheet zero 0.015 mm. So that is 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 mm. So thickness of 6 sheets equal to 1.5 into 6 into 10 raised to minus 2 mm. So that is 9 into 10 raised to minus 2 mm. Now he is asking what is the total thickness of the shelf. So 120 I can write 1.2, or I can directly solve it like this, see, in a easy way. This I can write 0.09 mm. So total thickness will be 120 plus 0.09 mm. So that is 120.09 mm. So that will be 1.2009 into 10 raised to, left hand side I am taking the point. So what I have to do? Left hand side, if you take the point, what you have to do? Two points on the left I am taking, so 10 raised to 2 mm. So this is my